Today we're going to be talking about the Army MOS 91 Bravo wheeled vehicle mechanic. Without further ado, let's get to it. Alright guys, what is up? Ben Allen back again with another video, and like I just said, we're going to be talking about 91 Bravo, wheeled vehicle mechanic. And the way this video came about is I was added to a group chat with a bunch of other military TikTokers, and one of them happened to be in the Army as well. His name is Dennis Leon. You guys might know him on TikTok, Instagram as the Annoyed Specialist. So he was kind enough to come onto the channel today to be able to talk about his MOS 91 Bravo and give you guys kind of an insight on what the day-to-day is like and some of the things you guys can expect to do once you get to AIT, or the stuff you learn, what kind of vehicles you work on, and just a general overview, you know, just real brief of what you guys can expect should you choose this MOS. Alright, I've done videos like this before in the past. I have a whole playlist on my channel. All you have to do is just go to my playlist section, go to the Know Your MOS playlist, click that, and I have different MOS there as well. Comment down below right now what MOS you would like to see me try and do in the future. I will try to make it happen. It's just a matter of reaching out to somebody with that MOS to create the video, you know what I mean? So that's what we're able to do with this one. He's going to give you guys some really good information, but before we jump into his portion, be sure to like this video, throw a thumbs up right now. It really helps out the channel. Subscribe if you're new here, and also turn on the bell notification. That way you guys will be up to date whenever I post new content, whenever I go live on Wednesdays, and just post a video in general. Alright, so thank you very much for doing that, guys. I really appreciate your time. But now let's go ahead and kick it off to Specialist Leon, or the Annoyed Specialist as he goes by on most of his social medias, and here you go.
What's going on, everybody? I'm the Annoyed Specialist, also known as Leon, and welcome to my studio, which is also just my car. I apologize for the quality. For most of it is just on my phone, as it's currently falling off the dashboard right now. So you want to know about 91 Bravos. So what a 91 Bravo is a wheeled vehicle mechanic, and you work on trucks such as high mobility multi-purpose wheeled vehicles such as this, or Humvees, up armoreds like this, light medium tactical vehicles such as this or that. Those we also just call LMTVs, or 5 tons. And then we got the heavy expanded mobility tactical truck, or we just call them HEMTTs. Last but not least, and then we have the all-terrain lifter Army system, or we just call it the Atlas, better known as the forklift. So my advice for people that want to come into this specific MOS, it helps to know a little bit about mechanics, but you don't exactly have to, because AIT teaches you somewhat. It has been a little bit different since I've been in, because I know AIT's changed. Before, it used to be hands-on in the engine, and now I think they do more specific, like, troubleshooting on the computers and stuff like that. Also, another thing that helps is to be somewhat strong, because there are a lot of heavy parts. This job can be very physically demanding. There's a lot of heavy parts, there's a lot of heavy tools sometimes, and there's also a lot of stubborn parts that don't want to come off, so it helps to be strong in that aspect. So how long was AIT? AIT for me was 13 weeks. If I could change my MOS, would I? Absolutely. There are times I enjoy being a mechanic, but there's a lot of times where I don't get to be a mechanic because they have a lot of side jobs that they prefer being done over parts being installed and whatnot, and it can get kind of annoying. What made me pick my MOS? I knew somewhat about mechanics here and there, but I wanted to learn more, and I know the Army had a lot of good opportunities for me to learn how to be a better mechanic. And now I know, I went from knowing nothing to knowing basically how a whole diesel engine works. So that's pretty cool. Do I like my job? There are times where I absolutely hate my job. Again, like I said before, just because I don't get to do it. And there are times where it can just be stressful. There are times where there's long hours. I have no idea when I'm going home half of the time. And sometimes they really like to abuse your time. But other than that, I'd say it's all right. But yeah, the hardest part of the MOS is that it's very time consuming and it can be a lot of back-breaking work. All in all, that's a brief summary of 91 Bravos. So if you have any questions that you want to ask me, you can find me on TikTok at The Annoyed Specialist. You DM me on Instagram at The Annoyed Specialist, and also Twitter at The Annoyed Specialist. Also, if you just want to stop by and say hi, that's cool too. Anyway, I appreciate Ben Allen for letting me be on this channel, and yeah, thanks for watching.
Alright guys, so great content. This is actually one of the funner ones that I got to do, mostly because I love the personality he threw into the video, right? And he showed you guys the vehicles that you actually be working on. You guys got to get a nice little look-see into what they look like and more or less what they, you know, are generally like. And guys, just from my personal experience with the 91 Bravos, I worked with a few, right? Because you're always gonna be working with mechanics for the most part, especially if you're in an armor unit like I was. Our vehicles are always breaking down. Mechanics do work some quite long hours, guys, so it just depends on how many vehicles you have to get through, how many you have to fix, all that stuff. And so just keep that in mind when you're joining. If you're thinking of being a mechanic just because you think it's a chill ass job, it's gonna be lazy, it's gonna be real laid back, you might want to think twice, because I know some mechanics that work a lot more hours than most of the other MOS, more than the infantry, more than the medics, more than the scouts, more than like a lot of the MOSs out there. So keep that in mind when picking this MOS. It's just something to think about, and if you're dead set on this MOS, guys, then hey, give it a shot. You never know, you may like it, you may learn a thing or two about working on military vehicles, and who knows, maybe you can get like a contracting job, you know, fixing military vehicles once you get out into the civilian side, if you do get out of the active duty army or something like that. So again, thank you so much to Dennis. I really appreciate it. Follow his social medias. They'll be down in the description box below. I really appreciate you coming onto the channel, man. It's really great to always collaborate with people that you meet, because I think it builds friendships. I think it builds that camaraderie, and I really think it helps you guys out in general, because we bring on people that normally wouldn't have been on this channel if I hadn't branched out and met them. So again, it was really fun getting to make this video. Again, thank you, Dennis, for coming on. Really appreciate it. Thank you guys for taking time to watch this video. If you took anything away from it whatsoever, be sure to like, you know, give it a big old thumbs up. Really helps the channel grow, as well as subscribe if you're new here already, and also comment down below what other MOS you want me to do in the future, or what you're looking forward to about becoming a 91 Bravo wheeled vehicle mechanic. And if you guys have any questions whatsoever that you do not want to ask me in the comment section for whatever reason, hit me up on my Instagram at Ben_Allen175. I always answer every single message I get there. And if you want more informative content, you can follow my TikTok as well, which is .thebenallen. But thank you guys again. I really appreciate your time. I will see y'all in the next one. Later.